porque me emociona mucho el producto y sé que me da la seguridad de que estoy tomando el equipo, o sea, lo mejor del mercado.
Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm from the Pittsburgh area. I work in a very premier spa in Wexford, PA. I'm a medical esthetician and I want to know about all of the services, so I'm well versed in my field. I found out about the plasma pen on a competitor's website and had to know about it. I was eager to come.
Hi guys, I am Zell and I'm from Georgia. I'm originally from the Philippines and I find myself in the beauty industry since I was a kid. I'm definitely a victim of a scam training. From that day, I opened my eyes. I'm gonna be smart, I'm gonna do my research, I'm gonna do everything to get the best training. I saw JHON-JHON for the first time and I said, oh my God, and I told my husband, I need to go. I want to give my client the best service that I can provide to them.
Mi nombre es Rosani, I'm from Dominican Republic, vivo en Green Brook. Estuve aquí anteriormente en la clase de maquillaje permanente. Le doy gracias a JHON-JHON por la oportunidad que nos ha dado. El venir a una institución con tanto prestigio y que la verdad cumpla con todos los requisitos.
I'm a medical esthetician. I came here because I found out through the state. I'm so happy I found it. It was definitely godsend because everyone here is just amazing, funny, warm. The atmosphere is amazing. I went to Capri and this is no Capri. It's gorgeous in here. It's like everything's high end. I want to be the best at it. And this is where I'm going to learn to be the best at it.
Hi, my name is Pam Smith and I'm from North Carolina. I was a former educator with public school and university and got into aesthetics. I'm a trainer for microcurrent and have my own business. This is the 7th Fibroblast training that I've taken. I started with the UK and there was always something lacking. I continued to search and found JHON-JHON. Hands down, it's the best training, it's the best pen. He has been there for me as I've walked through this year with new techniques. I think Fibroblast is such an important procedure that I can immediately make a change for a client. It has totally boosted my confidence in my business. Being a trainer, I'm particular about what training I get. It's the best.
My name is Kathy. I am from West Virginia. I've been a family nurse practitioner since '99. I was lucky enough to meet Pam when I purchased my microcurrent. I want to figure out what you can do, and the technology is out there now to literally do things minimally invasive and not have to go have surgery. Looking at just the outcomes Pam has had, and I'm really excited to add it into what I offer my clients.
I'm Melinda Pilati, and I am from Oklahoma. Pam and I became friends through microcurrent. So Pam introduced me to JHON-JHON, and it was the best thing, absolutely. I felt confident when I went home to work, and then I spent a year working on different clients, and I'm thrilled to be here today just because maybe there's some things that I have forgotten, or I'm just trying to up my game. I want to be the best I can be in the state of Oklahoma. I am nationally certified, so I can work anywhere in the United States. But I love my hometown, and I love the fact that you are such a detailed person.
Hi everybody, I'm from Boston. My name is Sandra Grillo. My background was actually in education as well. I was an elementary ed teacher for a year. It was during a time where they had something called Proposition 2.5, so they were closing schools. After only 1 year of teaching, I lost my job. I didn't know what I was going to do. I had no idea I was going to open up my own business. I didn't plan on it, but I did just by chance. My first students were my first clients. I own a building where my spa is. I had no eyebrows myself when I was in my 30s due to thyroid disease. I trained back in the day in California, learned, got them done, and that's where my passion was. Pamela told me about JHON-JHON being the best. I'm very, very fussy. He best in every way. As a person, as a teacher, as a host, I can't say enough about it. I really love you. It's a family here, and the caliber of the education you're going to get is ongoing and it's excellent. And if you don't feel like you get enough here today, you're welcome to keep coming back, which nobody does in this industry.
Wait. And who's the boss?